Green beans are low in calories. Green beans are a low-calorie vegetable, making them a great addition to any weight loss or weight management plan. Green beans are high in fiber. Green beans are high in fiber, which can help regulate digestion, reduce constipation, and promote a healthy gut microbiome. Green beans are a good source of vitamins and minerals. Green beans are a good source of vitamins C and K, as well as folate, iron, and manganese. Green beans are rich in antioxidants. Green beans are a rich source of antioxidants, including carotenoids and flavonoids, which can help protect against oxidative damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Green beans are versatile and easy to prepare. Green beans can be enjoyed cooked or raw, and can be easily added to a variety of dishes, including salads, stir-fries, soups,